I'm going to teach the basics of tapestry crochet using this Monstera leaf wall hanging pattern, this chart. I'm going to start down here and go across. So I'm going to chain 33 and then have 32 single crochet stitches. And the chain is just going to be done all by itself. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's your chain. I just did all by itself. But now, even when we have just white, I'm going to carry my color B along with it. So this row 1 is just white, but I'm still going to carry color B, my green color, with it. And for this whole project, we're just going to carry both colors through the whole thing. So I'm going to connect like that and just carry the green through the whole project. Let's give myself a bit more of a tail. So 32 single crochets all the way across, carrying color B, or contrast color, with it. So row 1 is complete. I'm going to kind of stretch it out a little bit so you don't really see that color B poking out. It's okay to stretch it out. That was row 1. I had forgotten that in my actual chart that I'm publishing for this, I added 2 more rows. So I'm going to do 2 more rows of just white, and then we'll move on to the leaf. So to start the second row, I'm going to chain 1. Since this is my right side, and now I'm going to be working on my wrong side, I'm going to fold this back that way. In the first stitch, do a single crochet. And just all the way across, single crochet, carrying the contrast color along with it. If I didn't carry it along with in these, just plain color A white rows, the texture and it just wouldn't feel right or look right. So even when you're not using both colors in a row, just carry them both with, so that your work, your project, has the right texture and consistency and isn't all lumpy and look kind of funny. Because you notice you can kind of see the color through there. So just imagine if we didn't carry the green with down here, then up at the top it would just look a little bit funny. So the end of row 2, and this is the wrong side. This is the right side. Instead of going around that way towards the front, I'm going to go around this way and have my contrasting color going to be on the back, like so. And then we just continue on row 3. Okay, this is row 4 of the Monstera leaf wall hanging. This is the wrong side, so we're bringing the yarn to the front. And we are going to single crochet. I'm going to single crochet 11 stitches. Or a little bit tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So on the 11th one, I'm going to pull up a loop. Before we finish, we'll drop that. We'll pick up our next one. Because next we are going to do 5. 1. We're going to carry around our second strand of yarn. 4. Now number 5, we're going to pull up a loop, drop that, pick up our color A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. So on 4, drop that. Do 2 more. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,